Welcome to the unit about mobile applications, which is a part of the Tech2Match course about technologies for patients with pain.
You are probably familiar with mobile application from your everyday life, perhaps through chatting with your friends, monitoring sleep, or working out.
In this unit, we will develop and expand your knowledge of mobile applications in a professional perspective. You will explore how mobile applications could be a tool to help patients manage pain.
We begin this unit by explaining mobile application, how to set it up and how to use it. So even if you have never used mobile application in a professional setting, you will learn everything you need to know how using mobile application in a professional context.
You will also learn about situations where mobile applications could be appropriate to use and what to consider when using a mobile application in a professional setting.
In this unit, we will encounter various learning activities, including videos, quizzes, and other interactive elements that are hopefully fun and encourage reflection on the impact of technologies for patients experiencing pain.
You will also see examples of mobile applications in a professional setting. And there are discussion forums where you can learn from each other, as well as literature to encounter critical reflection about mobile applications.
We have enjoyed creating the content of this unit. We hope you will enjoy working with it.